First, you're drawing out in pencil lightly. Make sure that as you're doing this, you're looking at negative shapes. Sometimes a negative shape is easier to draw than a positive shape. Keep it light so that if you do make a mistake, that you can erase it. And sketch in all the shapes. Make sure that you double check your angles and get everything sketched in very lightly. Once you've checked everything and it's accurate, then you can start to chunk in your shapes, looking for like your darkest areas with your vine charcoal. You can start to kind of ease up as you get into the lighter areas, so you can actually start to blend a little bit with this soft vine charcoal. This is going to help to make it smoother when we come over it with the compressed charcoal pencils. And you're looking for shapes, and with this technique we're leaving the whites, so you have to be very careful to make sure that you don't lay down charcoal at all into those white areas. When I drew out this sketch, I actually very lightly made some marks or shapes where you want to leave whites. So just marking those really light or white shapes is good so that you don't accidentally put in too much value. I'm kind of laying in some of the lightest areas, and you can even use a chamois or a blending stump or tortillon to kind of blend some of this in. Even some toilet paper will work to kind of blend some of these areas in. So you're looking for shapes of value and kind of easing up at some points as you add in this soft charcoal. So it's a soft vine charcoal. Now here on the skate, I'm actually using the chamois to kind of blend it because there's just like a little bit of a texture and I just want it to be really light. Now I'm starting to kind of come in. This is kind of like a medium tone, which I'll eventually smooth in using a tortillon and probably some toilet paper to kind of like make it really smooth. I'm just going to kind of keep continuing with these shapes and building it up and adding in these values. I will get all of these basic undertones, and in the next video I will show you how to start with the charcoal pencils going over top of it after I have finished all of this. Tortillon, or sometimes called a blending stump, to kind of blend this medium tone in. But I'll also come in with some toilet paper to kind of smooth it in because it is more medium tone than it is showing up right now. I'm just starting to kind of like work with it a little bit and seeing what I can do.